So today we're gonna do something a little bit different. I'm not doing my makeup today, but what we are gonna do is I've seen a lot of people doing like tie-dyeing their clothes and stuff. Some people use regular tie-dye stuff. Some people use bleach. I'm gonna use bleach because it's what I have and that's what's gonna happen. So I perused my closet to find some stuff that I don't wear a whole lot and see if we can make it better with bleach. Said nobody ever. So I have this just plain black V-neck shirt. I don't wear it very often. I have, or actually none of these I wear very often. I have this Texas Rangers shirt. I don't remember where I got this from. I think a friend gave it to me, but I don't wear it. I have this red V-neck. Okay, I'm gonna go get all the materials that I need and I will be right back. This is what we have going. There's our shirts. I'm really scared that this is gonna turn out like butt. My coffee. Yes, Gregory, I'm using your cup again. I'll come back in a couple hours and update y'all on how it's going, and we'll see how this turns out. Okay guys, so it is the next day. I left them in for a couple of hours and then I washed them, and by the time I got done with all that it was late and my camera was dead from filming another video, so it's the next day. But I have them here. So far they look really good. I'm gonna go and try them on and I'll come back out and show y'all what's up. Okay, so here's the first shirt. I'm gonna try and put this somewhere where y'all can still see me. It's kind of dark, but I don't have the greatest lighting, and my living room's a mess. But this is the first shirt. It's cute. It kind of turned the red ones just pink. I mean, I guess that's what I should have expected, but yeah. So here, and then done that. Anyway, so yeah, this is the first shirt. It's cute. I might crop them, but I haven't decided yet. So here's the last shirt. There's that. But thank you guys. I am trying to do things other than just makeup videos on my channel, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If there's anything you want to see, just let me know. Anything you think would be funny or just fun to do, fun to watch, just let me know. See you next time. Bye.